Today I'll tell you guys if you guys can unblock yourself on Instagram after someone has blocked you. Now, if someone has blocked you, then you cannot unblock yourself. It does not work like that. Okay, let's see. For an example, my friend A has blocked. So until then, unless I have access to my friend A's Instagram account, I cannot unblock myself. Because if I have access to his Instagram account, I can just go inside his Instagram setting like this, by clicking on the profile picture, and clicking on the tree line at the top right, and go on setting. From settings, I can search for block accounts. Once the search for blocked accounts, I can click on that and it's going to show me all the accounts my friend has blocked. And from the list, I can just click and unblock myself. And once I unblock myself, I can talk with him. But if I don't have access to his Instagram account, how can I unblock myself? The other method is you need to have access to contact with him outside of Instagram, which means if you have added him on your Facebook, or your Snapchat, or you have phone number of this, you can call him and ask him to unblock you on Instagram. So that way, he can go inside his account and unblock you. But until then, unless you have access to his account, you cannot unblock yourself. You just have to contact him through other way, alright? Maybe you can create a Facebook account and contact him. Or maybe you can talk with one of his friend and ask him to ask you to unblock you. Something like we are. That's the only way you guys can solve this issue. So hit the subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.